Miahanneasetv. Today, I'm gonna do this video is gonna be a room transformation. Don't mind the background. This video is gonna be a room transformation. Me and my sister, we share a room, and like it's only one queen size bed I think that's in there. And I was like getting tired of like both of our stuff on the bed, like too many covers on the bed, too many pillows, like there's too much going on. The room not really organized because that bed in there is taking up too much room, so we really ain't got no space or whatever. So I just asked my parents could they buy a bunk bed or whatever, like talk to them about getting a bunk bed because it's too chaotic in there and it's like too messy, junky. Like right when I clean up, it get right back dirty. I'm tired of that. So for my birthday, my auntie bought the bunk beds for my birthday gift because you know I really wanted it because child can't do it no more. So yeah, so I'm finna show y'all the room or whatever. Don't judge. And yeah, don't mind me, I literally just woke up. Like King woke me up, been up since 7 on and off because he want to play around at 7 o'clock in the morning and not go back to bed. So yeah, so the bed's supposed to come Sunday, but my auntie got a what is it called? She got a notification saying that it's gonna come today, which is Saturday. So I was gonna clean the room today, get everything situated, and then tomorrow I put the bed in there. But change of plans, I gotta do all of that today, plus put the bed up today. And I wanna decorate the room or whatever, depending on how much space we got. So we finna see how this go. I'm finna show y'all the room or whatever. I know it's so dirty in there. I haven't been in there so I'm finna show y'all the room. Don't judge me. Let's go see. Oh, it's not really that bad. You can see the floor, but yeah, this is the room. This is my mama work area. So like in the morning, my mama be working over here, so yeah. But I'm gonna do a 0.5 view. This is the room. This is what it's looking like. It's not that bad. I done seen worse. So now that I'm seeing it, it's only gonna take me like 20 minutes to clean this room. So I'm gonna tell y'all, these is dirty. And then these are my clean clothes. Shoe, like I do not like folding my clothes. Like I hate folding my clothes. But like my mama, she always taught us to like fold our clothes or whatever. Baby, I hate it. So they just be sitting in baskets until I ain't got no room for my clean clothes. I'm finna open the blinds, play some music, and get this room clean. And I'm gonna try to show y'all. I might set the phone up right here because y'all know my little tripod messed up. Yeah, I want that TV out of here because we don't watch it. Like we both got iPads and then we don't watch it because the remote, we only got one remote because when I was moving, I lost the other remote. So yeah, we only got one remote. So we really don't be watching this TV because sometimes our Roku on our phones don't be connected to this TV. So I'm finna fold these clothes and see y'all when I'm cleaning up. You don't even like that. Leave me here. so